In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Doordash payment card. If you're looking to clean up old payment methods, tighten your security, or simply remove a card you no longer use, I'll walk you through the process on the Doordash website, step by step, in a clear and safe way. First, open the official Doordash website in your browser. For security, type the address directly into your address bar and look for the lock icon next to the URL to confirm you're on the legitimate site. This helps protect your account from phishing pages that might look similar but aren't actually Doordash. Next, log into your account. Enter your credentials carefully, and if you're prompted for a verification code, complete that step to secure your session. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your account home or the main site. From here, go to Account. On desktop, you'll usually find Account at the top right of the page, sometimes represented by your profile picture or an icon. Click it to open your account options so you can access your personal settings. Now click Payment. This is where all your saved payment methods live. The Payment section lists any cards or other payment options you've added in the past, along with basic details like the card brand and the last 4 digits. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct card, especially if you have multiple saved. Find the saved card you want to remove. Double-check the last 4 digits and expiration date to confirm you've identified the right one. Removing a card is immediate, so it's worth pausing for a second to be certain. Click Remove next to that card. A confirmation prompt will appear to prevent accidental deletions. This is your chance to review your choice and ensure you won't need that card for any pending orders. Confirm Delete in the prompt. Once you confirm, Doordash will remove the card from your account. You should see the card disappear from the payment list. If you don't see the change right away, give the page a moment to refresh or reload it to verify the card is gone. That's all there is to it. Your payment details are now updated, and the removed card can no longer be used on your Doordash account. If you plan to place an order soon, remember you'll need an active payment method on file. Keeping your payment section tidy is a great habit for both security and convenience. Thanks for watching. If this helped, feel free to follow along with your own account and keep your information up to date.